this is for you. नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम मानव है और मेरे चैनल में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. So this video is about our brand new car. Well, about this car I teased in my previous video. Go and watch that. You might understand something.
Sound slick. Sound slick.
This is 2nd of August 2020. Now I know you guys might be finding it strange that why the hell I'm buying the car in the lockdown, but that's true. We don't have any reason, and right now we are at the Kia showroom. Let's go in, right? Here's all the system going on. Come on, come on. Would you like to buy these for the car? ये खरीदना है? No?
मुझे तो यही लगता है, क्या है पता नहीं.
You want to buy this machine? You don't want to buy this? This is the second one, right? There is our old car, and these all are Seltos and Kia Carnival, and here is another Seltos. So you can see India is so diverse country, and it has a lot gods, different religions are there. So there is kind of tradition in India that we keep emblem of gods in the car. Not really me, we don't keep, but most of the people. Kia is trying to do business in these emblems also. So here actually you can see something traditional going on. Yep, you are right. Actually India also have history of machines in its past. So this is like small ritual done before buying a vehicle or any big machine for its better future. Since it's a Indian tradition, so if you don't want it to do also, in every vehicle showroom you'll find company itself doing this for you. OMG, Manav, your car is burning? No, actually you'll find really strange, but since we bought this car in the era of COVID-19, this was a kind of facility provided by the company. So they kept one machine inside the car, and that was releasing sanitization fog. So total, if you will sum up, this was all to prevent the spread of coronavirus. So you saw the intro. How was the intro of this car? This is our brand new Kia Seltos GTX Plus variant. So I teased about this car in my previous video. And the company, the new car, I'll give you a hint that's going to be a South Korean car. Now just guess and comment what car we are going to buy. Some of you must have also watched that video. So Dad, can you tell me what's the specific or special reason to buy this car?
This is one of the leading company, world company.
But it has entered the Indian market right now.
That doesn't make any difference. We believe it's credential because it has supplied autos throughout the world.
Yep. And actually there were 3 cars in the competition about which actually my father liked the design of this car the most. So currently right now after the COVID-19 situation, made in India products are promoted a lot right now. So I was insisting him a lot to buy Tata car. But why did you choose this specifically?
Tata Harrier, I found it quite bulky.
Yes,
and,
that was really
this
big.
looks very compact and design-wise it's better.
Yes, but Tata stands at a different place. It has really very powerful engines and really very bulky design, and it stands somewhere else. And actually, if I tell you on paper, this car is also made in India 100%. There is a rule in India: if you want to sell your automobiles in India, you need to come here and produce and manufacture the car, or else Indian government is ready with a lot of taxes on you. But really, if I tell you that my first car is going to be Indian, if I would be staying in India, I would buy the Tata cars only.
Then go for Indian car.
Because Tata is now one of the leading companies in electric manufacture in whole world. This is the mid-size SUV, and that Tata Harrier was full-size SUV. So now I know some of you might be thinking, wait a minute, Manav, we have seen this car in the advertisement, right? You have seen this car with Blackpink, which is the leading Korean girl brand. They have advertised this car in many countries, a lot countries.
Yeah, hold up, girl. Come on and get your break. Self-tops.
But let me tell you one thing, that India has its own entertainment industry, which is Bollywood. And for a lot of Indians, this car is associated with Tiger Shroff, which is our Bollywood actor.
Bye, Chief! What? How the hell? 'Cause I'm badass! No!
Like in India, K-pop is not famous, Bollywood is only famous, or our other local entertainment industries. That is the reason why Kia didn't advertise Blackpink in India. Now I will tell you that I am not a professional reviewer of the car. If you really want to see the review of this car, go and watch it on any other channel. But this video is like a funny, and I am trying to share our happiness that we bought a new car. This is just a vlog. Come here, I'll show you one thing. This is Bose speaker. Now why did I tell you that this is a Bose speaker? That's because actually this company is all over world famous. It's a lot international company, and it has also collaborated with Kia, which is also a renowned and big company in the world. But if you really want to know the truth, this company was started by an Indian. We feel unlucky actually, because at the time that the company was started, India was lacking in the infrastructure and resources. So this company was started by an Indian migrator to America. That Indian went from India to USA, and this company is basically registered in America. So now there is no point to say that this is Indian company. But yes, still Bose, you are reading Bose. Bose is a Bengali language title. There is a state Bengal. So people there, after their name, they write Bose after their name as a title. Boom. If you have still not watched my previous video, I am telling you again and again, click the I button and watch that. In that video I told my story that we have been driving a small car, and that was an instant change from that car to such a big car. And right now you might also be thinking that why I'm standing in the air or somewhere uphill, but that's actually the sunroof. This was one of the things which we expected from our next car. This was like earlier it was a dream that only in the luxury cars. But right now in the mid-range cars also sunroof is available, and we are quite happy and enjoying this. I mean, we can jump like a monkey.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm smelling the perfume.
Perfume? What?
Yes. Actually, this car has air purifier in it, and along with it, it also features the perfume in the car. I mean, when you come out from somewhere else and the car is being heated and there is a lot of smell in it, so instantly the perfume in this car get releases, and you are all fresh and
But sunroof is open.
oh my god. No, I was actually smell was coming in my nose and I didn't knew that the sunroof is open. One more thing. In this current world, we all know that everything is connected with our mobile phones. I mean, if you want to go and pay the shopkeeper, you want to go to malls, everywhere this mobile is helpful. Online payments everywhere. And similarly, miracles are coming from the automobile companies also. And the miracle is this. Now you can read something engine start. You are understanding it right. We can also start this car with our mobile phones. Let me show you once, okay? This is taking quite longer. So it usually matter time is according to the location, because this is connected with the satellite and the internet. So this signal goes somewhere in the satellite, then it goes to the car, and then it starts. You can also see I have not even started the car through the keys. It's all through this mobile phone. And along with this, there are a lot other features too, right? Like status of engine, hood, tire pressure, trunk. If this car is being stolen somewhere, you can call and locate its location from your mobile phone. So this is like wonders of technology. What technology is doing right now. That there is usually a problem faced by many of the car drivers and the car riders. When they come in the car in a really hot day, they experience hot chairs.
But no, there is a very unique feature in this car, that is ventilated seats.
I was really happy. I told you again and again that buy the car with ventilated seats, but when you bought and experienced, then you are feeling it, right?
No, it's very good. You can switch this button and
These small pores, the AC, the air conditioner.
Cold air comes out.
Yes, cold air comes out from these small pores.
feel-
Now I can say that many luxury features are coming in mid-size SUV cars also. So affordability is increasing and features are also increasing. One of the exclusive feature I missed to talk about and I wanted and wished to was heads-up display. This technology is right now available only in the BMW series. They have used the technology of hologram to project the screen on the mirror, which sounds really futuristic. Again, I'll tell you, if you saw my previous video, I learned how to drive the manual variant of the car. And I also told that the next car we are going to buy is going to be automatic variant. So this is the automatic gearbox, you can see, right? I'll tell you what's my age. I am 14 years old and I'm not supposed to drive it somewhere on the road. And this is just, I'm showing it for a fun way, because this car is a lot easier to drive than the manual variant of the cars. This is a lot easier. I'll show you. I have driven this car once, that is why I know what's the features and how to control this car. One really interesting thing which is available in some cars only in this segment is 360-degree camera. This is really very exclusive thing. I don't know how the company has optimized the cameras, but you can see the car 360 degree And as I change the steering wheel, you can also see it's directing me that way to drive the car along with the path. And the cameras are there of all the size, 360 degree, left, right, and yes, you can see, right? So you can see the steering wheel in this car is like a D cut, and it's also an exclusive feature. It helps the driver to move the steering wheel, like right now you can see, for instant turns. And let me accelerate. Nothing, no hazard, all automatic. The car is just, we need to handle the steering wheel and everything is normal. It's time for the sunset and I should rather go home. We can say that it's time to end the video. Just going to take a one round. So you can see it's a small kid can also drive like me, unless there is a need. This was a short video of my life, because I make videos to record my life rather doing it for views and other things. We bought a new car, we sold an old car, I made a video. A lot of people might be thinking that he is driving the car in front of his father. So can tell them the reason, like.
No, it's for fun only.
I really don't drive on the car on the road, and I drove the car second time.
Just for fun, I'm not going to allow him to drive on the road.
I never ever drove this or old car on the roads. So maybe the family members are also watching. So don't think wrong.
He doesn't drive actually. It's for fun only. He requested and I allowed him to drive on this ground only, not on the road.
He is really peculiar about these things. He might be looking funny in this video. He is really strict in these things. Basically, I make videos about India on this channel, so you can check my channel. Just tell in the comment box how was this car. He bought specially the black color because and you can see we are wearing the black specifically to make this video. Thank you, Dad, for coming in my video and shooting for me.
Oh, it was great experience. Thank you.
So thank you for watching. This was all for this video. आज के वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.